Happy Tuesday, my YouTube friends and family, and welcome back to another daily work from home job leads video. If you're new here, this channel searches the internet, digging through all of the different job boards, looking for the best work from home jobs that are available right now, and we share them generally on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. But in today's video, we have 7 different jobs to share with you today. All of these are hiring remote work from home, so you might want to get a coffee, get a snack. We have Zoom hiring, we have Pinterest hiring. Zoom and Pinterest, none of these jobs that I'm sharing require any kind of college degree. So Zoom and Pinterest don't require any kind of college degree either. And pay starts at a little over $1,000 a week and goes up from there up to like $2,700 a week. We are going to dive all in, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need. It can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But with that being said, first up we have the company Equity Residential. They have 1,100 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote application processing specialist. And so this is like a real estate rental type company. They are looking for somebody to monitor the daily workload in their application system, people putting in those applications to be able to rent or live in a property that they own or manage. And what you're going to do is process all of these applications for the prospective residents. You're going to offer customer service to the on-site teams, the teams that are on-site, by addressing any concerns they have, communicating and following up with them. So you are doing this with internal people that you work with. So it might be on the phone with them, it might be through email. But you are the guide for all applicants and applications, answering any questions, making sure they can navigate through the application process through phone, email, all those other mediums, making sure they have all the information that you need on that application to process it filled out, or if not, you're getting that missing information from them. And you'll provide them with alternative approval solutions as needed or appropriate. So if you cannot approve them for the property that they're wanting, maybe there's another property you can approve them for or something like that. You are just going to work with these applicants to help find them what they need. But again, no college degree is needed for this. It's always preferred, but only high school diploma or GED is required. And somebody who has 1 or more professional years of work. They're really looking for somebody who's worked in like real estate, property management, or underwriting before, or knows basic application processing. Somebody who has great customer service skills. Of course, you've got to be able to navigate around a computer. Pay for this one is anywhere from $20 an hour up to $21 an hour. Now, please note at the very bottom here, this is 100% remote work from home, but they do have certain states that they can hire in, and that is Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Texas, Virginia, Washington, and Washington, D.C. But a company that is hiring throughout the entire United States and does not have any state restrictions is DraftKings. DraftKings has 757 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a content associate. Now, this is, again, remote for the United States. DraftKings is an online like gaming and betting platform, and so they are looking for somebody to help craft content that will help people understand how to use the platform and help themselves. So think of like websites that have like help sections where you can read help articles, FAQ sections, things like that. You are going to be improving their support content by creating, updating, and maintaining all of the shared content for the various DraftKings verticals. So this might not only be their website, but also maybe like their app, their social media. You are just going to be a part of that strategic customer initiatives help center team, building all of those help center content, help center articles. So maybe instead of just a written article, you also do like a screen share, a video showing people how to do something or a function, and then that is placed on the website where they can read an article and then also watch the video. You're basically developing accurate and timely content with your guidance from your managers and just supporting the team in auditing and maintaining that accurate content overall for DraftKings and Golden Nugget help centers, and within the associated chat bots that the website uses as well, those automated chat bots. So you have to feed it information so it kind of knows what to say as well. So not only are you creating new content, you're just monitoring and auditing and making sure all the content stays up to date. This does require at least 1 year of some kind of professional experience. They want somebody who has awareness of DraftKings and like help center articles, things like that. Somebody who can communicate well, have great attention to detail, be very organized. Somebody who can multitask but prioritize those tasks, making sure that you meet deadlines, working in that fast-paced environment, but no college degree is needed. And pay for this one is anywhere from $23.08 an hour up to $28.85 an hour. Keeping it moving, next up we have TMF Health Quality Institute hiring. That's a mouthful. They have 65 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a case clerk. Now, this is full-time remote, and it says remote anywhere in the United States. But this is going to be right on the lines of like a healthcare job. I think this is specifically going to be for Medicare. You are going to be performing routine appeal work, basically serve as a support person for reconsiderations of disputes for denials. So what this means is when Medicare denies a claim, you might have to send medical records. You have to build a case of why they should pay the claim and why they shouldn't deny it. So this is going to mean getting a bunch of medical records and documents together, right, for the patient. You've got to prove that the service that the patient got was medically necessary and that they meet all of the certain criteria that is required by Medicare, the insurance company, to pay this claim. So what you are really going to be doing is coordinating the delivery of all of those documents for these reconsiderations and disputes. For the decisions to be made by the insurance company, you're coordinating the delivery of those documents to the insurance company, which is going to be Medicare. You're also putting those documents together in a package, building a reconsideration, a case file from the evidence that is submitted. Maybe the doctors are sending those medical records or things like that. You're just analyzing all of the paperwork and making decisions based on medical versus non-medical case types and just submitting all of this documentation again to Medicare. Only requires a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of general office experience. Now, if you don't have any experience, they will take some kind of college education or technical training over that, but no college is needed if you have at least 1 year of experience. Now, they do prefer somebody who's had some kind of Medicare experience in the past, but again, that's preferred and not required. Now, sadly, this job did not list the pay range. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, next up, we have the company Modivcare. I wanted to share this because the job seems to be very neat, but they do have a 2.6 out of 5 star rating with 458 reviews. So they do come in right in the middle. Some people love them, some people hate them. So if you're interested in this job, please make sure you read all the company reviews before giving them any of your personal information. But they are looking for a health navigator for their medical monitoring. And so if you think about medical monitoring, when people are in the hospital or something, they have all of the machines that beep and check their like respiratory rates and heart rates and things like that. And every so often, people will monitor those, or if the alarms go off, if things get so high, those alerts. But those can be monitored remotely. So this is a remote work from home job. They are really just looking for somebody to provide first level monitoring for medical alert alarms with genuine concern. And you're going to support the response requirements for health professionals within established procedures. So what's going to happen is when you have a medical alert or alarm that goes off on your digital system that you're monitoring, you are going to be contacting individuals by telephone in order to assist their patient's alert. So maybe you call them and be like, we just got an alert, that your heart rate, how do you feel? You're going to probably triage them, asking them questions, entering all that into the computer, and assessing the data represented by the alerts to determine the next steps in the call process. Are they okay? Do you need to call in their doctor, 911, things like that? You're just going to assist in obtaining customer information and different things, tracking and maintaining their vitals. Now, this only requires a high school diploma or GED and 1 year or less of experience in some kind of customer service, call center, or data entry. They're looking for somebody who can be a problem solver, who can stay energetic in a fast-paced environment, and of course navigate around the computer systems like Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, things like that. Great communication skills, and pays anywhere from $16.36 an hour up to $22.09 an hour. Now, as promised, we have both Zoom and Pinterest hiring, paying pretty high and requiring no college degree. So first up, we have Zoom, or Zoom Video Communications. They have 1,900 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a business development representative. This is going to be remote for the United States. Now, this is going to require a lot of phone work. They are looking for somebody to help build strategic partnerships within and help the Zoom sales team, playing a critical role in their partnerships. So what you're really going to be doing is making outbound phone calls or outbound emails. You're going to carry out more than 70 outbound activities per day. I'm assuming a lot of these are going to be phone calls, but you are going to utilize various channels, including like emails and social media networks, maybe even make some video messaging. And what you're trying to do is you're working with the sales team. You are making these outbound phone calls and connecting with businesses and people that Zoom wants to work with, partner with, that they're trying to bring on board as customers. So you are basically trying to sell the Zoom products and services to different businesses and potential customers. So they are really looking for somebody who can handle rejection well, because we know some people are just, they want to say no, and they might be a little bit not nice in the way that they say it. But other than that, they are just looking for somebody who can work with other people, work well with others, work with their sales team, prioritize those target account lists, somebody who has experience making phone calls, talking to people. Maybe you've got some sales experience. They're looking for somebody who's experienced with messaging or sales strategies, kind of what to say. Somebody who has experience in meeting target quotas. So somebody who's worked in a production type environment before. And they're really looking for somebody who is creative in their thinking. You can create compelling outreach to help drive that customer engagement. Pay starts at $54,300 a year and goes up to $101,900 a year. Now, there's only 52 weeks in a year, so $54,000 is going to be a little over $1,000 a week, and then pay just goes up from there. Now, this one is taking applications through November 22nd. And of course, we also have Pinterest hiring. Pinterest, the social media platform, they have 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an administrative business partner. Now, they are based out of San Francisco, but this is a remote work from home position with the caveat that you are required to travel into the office 1 to 2 times per quarter, it says, for employees to do in-person collaboration. For people who are not living within a commutable distance, when you are required to come into the office every 3 to 4 months, Pinterest will cover your travel and expenses. So they are going to pay for you to travel. But as long as you don't mind traveling every 3 to 4 months or so, they are looking for somebody to assist multiple leaderships or executives and teams with calendar management, things like scheduling meetings, changing meetings, moving meetings when there is a meeting conflict, scheduling cadences, scheduling conferences, different things like that, scheduling their travel, the executives' travel. You're going to help do event planning for Pinterest. You're going to research like different event locations that they can have events, draft event communications that will be sent out to the company employees on what to expect from the event, when the event's going to be held, things like that. You're also going to be working with these leaders and executives doing like selecting vendors within the budget for these different events. And you're just providing that overall administrative support, like HR support, recruiting, workplace. You're basically just working with all of these leaders, being basically their assistant, helping them with any paperwork or things that they need. If they need phone calls made to book travel, hotel accommodations, things like that, you will handle all that for them. No college degree is needed, but they are looking for somebody who has 2 years experience in supporting some kind of executives or director level, especially somebody who maybe has like some kind of HR experience, somebody who is skilled in using different computer systems like Mac, G Suite, or creating purchase orders, somebody who has great communication skills, great attention to detail, somebody who is comfortable and confident in making decisions in a fast-paced environment. And they are looking for somebody who can work their standard hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But pay starts at $68,850 a year on the low end, goes up to $142,000 a year. $142,000 a year would be like a little over $2,700 a week. All right, and next up we have the company Ripley Hiring. They have 685 reviews, an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a carrier connection specialist. So this means you're going to be a specialist that really specializes in making sure that the insurance carriers get connected with the Ripley products. So they have to integrate their business and their computer systems, their information into the Ripley system and Rippling products. And so you are going to manage an internal dashboard of tasks and activities related to this implementation of the new insurance carrier integrations. So you're basically onboarding new insurance companies is what it is. So you will be working directly with the insurance companies as well as like the technical support teams, making sure that everything is handled, managing any complex issues or escalations so the insurance companies have a smooth onboarding process. So if there are tech issues that arise, you are going to look at the root cause of these issues and making sure that they get solved and improve the overall customer experience. Again, no college degree is needed for this one, but they are looking for somebody who has at least 6 years of experience in like some kind of project management role or some kind of operations, with at least 2 years of that experience being in some kind of benefits or insurance administration, some type of insurance role. Great communication skills, great project management skills, great attention to detail. And of course, you need to be able to work with computer systems and be a little bit of techie people, like know how to use G Suite. Pay is going to be based on different tiers for this role. The lowest pay is $55,000 a year, with the highest pay being $94,500 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything in today's video, give this a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.